Dear friends, today I will talk about the SP Pro 501 printer, and this is the printer model. You can see here SP Pro 501 DN, and this printer maximum time I got blue color packet, but this one is the another type of color. And today let's check this what happened in this box, and I will talk about this feature. Okay, let's unbox it. This is the printer box. Here is some of manual of the printer. This is our printer. Okay, let's open it. This is the printer, and this is the printer toner 87. And this printer, original toner will print it maximum 3000, and duplicate toner will print it 8 to 9000. Okay, this printer ppm is 45. That means per minute it will be printed 45 pages, regular page. Okay, let's power up this. Plug in the power cable. Place the power, and let's see. Printer is warming up. Here is some basic setup. Press OK. Language, yes. English, USA. Location, yes. And shapes, yes. Load paper. There is no paper. Okay, any size. Let's see the test page. Okay, this print quality is very good, not bad, and this is very useful for the small office. If you print per day 100 and 500 print, definitely you can buy this. Very good quality printer. This is not bad. But let's see the report. Use pages. How many pages use this printer before uses or not? I can check this. No, you can see this here. This printer printed one page, and I printed one piece. Okay, it is fully new printer, and I will set up the network. This one is not necessary to keep. Here is a very simple way to set up this printer, and you just enter the IP address, what is the default IP, and after that logging in this printer, and you can use very easily. Okay, you can also manually set up the network. Let's set up the network setup, link, and network service. Come out from this here, auto customer IPv. You need to enter the IP before configure method. Enter auto, not auto IP. I use the manual IP. Here you input the desired IP, what you want, 192.168.172. Our network setup is complete. Okay viewers, let's check it. The report. Until the plug in the network, and it will do not show the network IP here. Network cable is unplugged. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.